Okay, good morning, students, once again. And today we all assemble again using this online facility for the classes of computer science with Python. Okay, so we are in the chapter number second, that is Python fundamental still, and we have discussed the tokens and the types of tokens, and now today we will discuss the operators. So let's proceed. Let me show you the whiteboard. Okay, I hope it is visible to you all. Okay, so what is the topic of discussion for today? Let me write it. That is operator. Okay, operators in Python. Okay, operators in Python. Okay, so let me write the what we say definition for it. These are the what do we say? These are the tokens, as we are in tokens. These are the tokens tokens that perform some action on, okay, on operands in an expression. Okay, so that is all about the definition operators in Python. These are the tokens that perform some action upon operands in an expression. Okay, very good. Suppose if we write, for example, if we write a plus b, then here a and b both will be set as operand, and the symbol that is used in between is this plus sign, and this is the operator. So let us proceed. Next topic related to this, that is types of operators. Types of operators used in Python. Okay, let's see. Let me write the first one, that is unary. Okay, unary operators. As the name suggests, students, unary means one. Okay, so the operator, the operator that works upon one operand is known as unary. Okay, as the name suggests, unary operator. Okay, for example, very good. For example, let me write here example. For example, this plus sign, unary, unary plus. Okay, if I write here minus, then unary what minus. Okay, likewise. Okay, complementary. We have tilde sign. This is known as what we say tilde. Tilde. Tilde sign. Okay, tilde sign. What is this? This is a what we say complementary. Okay, this is used for complement. This is used for complement. Okay, so what is this tilde sign is used for? It is used for complement. Complement is what? If you have written 0, then if you complement the value, it will be 1. If you have written 1 and if you complement it, it will be 0. It means true will be converted into false, false will be converted into true. That is complement. Okay, so that is unary operator. Let me take another box here, and the second one, that is binary. Binary operators. Binary operators. Okay, so what are binary operators? So as the name suggests, the operators the operators that work upon two. By name is two. Okay, so that work upon two operand. Okay, will be termed as the binary. For example, as we have taken the example here in the first one, this one. First we have taken. Okay, so that is binary operator, the operators that work upon two operand. Okay, so let me write it here. And in that, for example, very common way that we have used in the first one also, suppose we have written a plus b, it means a and b, two operands, and here the plus sign is working as a binary operator. Okay, and if we have what we say discussed that earlier unary operators, or what should be the example of that? Example of unary okay operator, let me tell you that also. It will be this. Suppose we have written minus a. Okay, so here this minus sign, this minus operator is used along with only single operand, so that will be example of the first one, that is unary operators. Okay, so better to delete it because we have already done that. So in this binary operator, let's proceed with some more subheadings, that is arithmetic operators arithmetic operators. So you all know, from your KZs you have started that to learn the arithmetic operator. And what are they? Let me tell you, this is for addition. Okay, this is for what? Subtraction, this asterisk. Okay, so this is used along with the shift and 8. If you press the shift and 8, you will get this asterisk. Okay, so this is used for what? Multiplication. Okay, now this forward slash. Okay, make sure it is forward slash. Okay, just close to the shift. Okay, below the enter key. So this is used for what? Division. Okay, and here in Python we have double star. So what does this mean for? You will see using the example right now. Just keep in touch, keep on watching the video till end. And this is double star, and it is what we say exponent. It means it will raise to a power, raise to a power. Okay, so this is exponent. Okay, for example, let me tell you one example, give you one example right here. That is, suppose a equals to, we have written 3, and now we are trying to print. Oh, we will use this in that particular Python window, programming window. We have written a power 2. What will be the answer? Okay, definitely I think your answer is 9, because a square, that is. So that is done, and one more is left, double forward slash. So what is this for? This is for floor division. What is floor division? Okay, the floor division means suppose you have taken a equals to 5, and now you have written this a divided by 2. What will be the answer? Okay, if you use it there in the Python window, you will get definitely 2.5. But what if you have written this? It means a floor division this by 2, then what you will get? You will get only 2, the integer value. Okay, so that is we have done it, this one. Let me clear the let me clear this window. This one is also over, I think. So let me bring it back. Okay, so now come to the next one, that is what we have used, the notation bitwise. Okay, bitwise operators. So bitwise operator, as the name suggests, it will work on the It will work on the bits. It will work on bit. Okay, so what are they? How many types are there? Bitwise and, okay, this is bitwise and. Bitwise and means, as I told you, it will work on bit. Let me write it here. It will work. It will work. It will work on bits. Okay, it will work on this bit. Okay, suppose we have written, for example, decimal value 10. So what is the binary value of this? 1010. Okay, so that is bit. So it will work on that. Okay, suppose if you have done any, what we say, calculation there in the window of program, what, Python. So that is bitwise and. What is bitwise and? Let me tell you. If both the conditions are true, as I told you in the previous videos also, classes also, if both the conditions are true, then you will get the answer true. If either of the condition is false, then you will get the false result. So there is only one condition in the AND operator, that is, if both the conditions are true, then you will get the answer true. Second one is the, let me write it here. This, what is this? This is bitwise. Let me use it. Bitwise or, okay, bitwise or. This symbol, where it comes from, okay. So it is just side by this enter key, you will get this, okay. Along with the forward slash, if you use the shift key, you will get that. Okay, so this is bitwise or. So what is or about? Or means if two conditions are there, if any of the condition is true, it means that answer will come true. Okay, so if both the condition are true, the answer will come true. If any of the two, it means first one condition is true, second one is false, then what will the answer? Definitely the answer will be true. If first condition is false and the second condition is true, then what will be the answer? Again the true. It means either of the condition is true, then you will get the result true in case of this. Okay, or now next one is this caret sign. Okay, caret sign, this is the third one. Bitwise. Okay, exclusive, exclusive for. Okay, so this is the third one of this bitwise operator. If both the, what do we say, values are true, it will get the false. Okay, if either of the value is true, it will get the true option. It means 0 0 will return 0. If 1 1 is there, it will return 0. If 0 and 1 is there, it will get the, what do we say, 1. If 1 and 0 is there, the condition, 1 represents the true and 0 represents the false, then you will get the positive answer. Okay, so that is the bitwise operator. And after this, okay, let me write the next one, that is shift operator. Operator. So what is shift operator here? So we have, what do we say, two. This one is shift left. Okay, shift left, and this one is shift right. The shift left means it will shift the bit to the left direction. Okay, it will shift the bit to the left side. Okay, so in this case, suppose we have written 10. Suppose we have written 10 and we have written this 2. It means from the left side. Okay, what is, let me write the, what we say, binary 1010. Okay, binary of got. This is the binary of, let me be very clear, this is the binary of 10. Okay, so 1010, how it is equal to 10? Let me tell you. This is the first value, this is 1. 1 first position, first multiplied by this 0, ultimately becomes 0. This is 2, 2 into 1, 2. This is, you have to replicate like this, 1 2 4, yeah, 8 16 32, likewise you have to move from right to left direction. Okay, so this is, what do we say, 1 1 into 0 0. This is 2 2 into 1 2. This is 4 into 0 0. This is 8 into 1 8. So 8 plus 2 10. So that is why I am telling you this is the binary of 10. Okay, so what do you have, what is there in this shift left 10 and 2? It means we have to move this to the left side. Okay, 2, and ultimately we have to increase this gap of 2. Okay, so that will be the answer. So let me check you. 10 and left shift this, shift left by 2, the answer will come like this. So what is the decimal value of this? This is 1, this is 2, this is 4. If 0 is there, just leave it. Once again, 1, 2, 4, 8. Just write it, note it down. 8, 16 is 0, 32. So 32 plus 8, ultimately it will be equal to 40. Okay, so if you left shift the 10 and use this 2, you will get this answer. Okay, so let us clear this topic right now, and let me show you the screen. Okay, ideally, okay, what we have written there, 10 and this and 2, here it is. Here comes the answer. Okay, clear. Okay, 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 very good. So just moving back to this new share the whiteboard. I think this topic is clear. So likewise, shift right is done. Now shift left is the next one. So let me take another. I think this one is over now. Better we clear it. Okay, take here another, and second one, this, that is shift. Okay, right, shift right. Okay, so in this what will be the example? Suppose we have written this. Okay, 10, and now again we are taking the same example. It means shift the bit to 2. Okay, of 10. What is the binary equivalent of 10? That is 10 binary, as I told you, 1010. So what will happen here? So in this case, practically we will move to that window, don't worry, stay in touch. So keep on watching. This 2 bits from the right side will be shifted. Okay, to which direction? To this direction. It means it will be truncated, and the answer you will get only 2. Once again, let me tell you what we have written. 10 and the shift right 2. Okay, what is the binary? As it works on the binary value, 1010 is the value of the stand, and 2 bits should be shifted to the right. These 2 from the right direction will be shifted. It means truncated. What is the remaining value? Only 10. What is the 10? 10 is the decimal of this 2. Okay, again move back to that particular window, new share, and move this, what do we say, to screen share. Okay, so very good. So what we have written here, 10 and this shift right. Okay, 2, here is the answer. Okay, so I hope students, shift left and shift right is clear to you. Let me move it to the right side. Okay, I think it is clear. Now move back to the our whiteboard. Okay, so that bitwise, this and or exclusive or, and we have done with this also. Shift operator, shift left and shift right, and after this, what do we say, the next one, let me write it here, that is identity, what we say, operator operator. Okay, identity operators, as the name suggests. What is this? As the name suggests, no, related to, these operators are related to identity identity checking. What is that? Identity checking, it means, suppose we have written a equals to, suppose we have written a equals to 5, b equals to 5. It means what? If we have written a is b, what will the answer? Answer will come true. Okay, let's see. Using again that window. Okay, suppose what was there? A equals to 5, B equals to again 5, and we have written A is B. Yes, true. Why? Because if we check the ID of A, that is 16644811264. Okay. If we check the ID of this B, again it is same. So this operator is used for identity checking. Okay, so both the variables are indicating the same value. Okay, that is 5, having the same ID. That is why it comes true. And if I write here is not A is not B, it will give false. Take another example. A equals to 10. Okay, B equals to 15. Okay, okay, that was an error. Now come to the next. Suppose A equals to 10 we have taken, and B equals to 15 we have taken, and now we are writing here A is B. What will be the answer? Because A is indicating 10 and B is indicating 15, so definitely it is false. You can check it using this ID. Okay, ID function ID A. See this 166448134. Okay, that is the ID of A variable, and if we write it here ID of B, then we will get a different. See the difference 424. Okay, that is why it is stating false. If we write here A is not B, A and B are both objects different, then it will return the true. Okay, so that is identity operator. That is also done. Okay, and now next move to the relational operator. Coming back to the window. Okay, that is done. Okay, now next one is relational operator. Relational operators. Okay, so what are they? As the name suggests, it will what we show the relationship between two or more variables. Okay, so what are they? Such as this less than. You all know less than. Let me write it here. This is what. This is greater than sign. Okay, less than equals to less than less than or equal to or equal to. This is greater than or equals to greater than or equal to. Okay, double equals to. Okay, for checking the equality, double equals to sign, not equals to exclamatory mark, where you will get this along with the shift key. Okay, at 1. Okay, shift and 1 you will press, you will get it. get get this, what do we say, exclamatory mark, that is not equal to. Okay, so these are the relational operators. How do they work? Let us see. Okay, so what we have written, suppose we have written A equals to 5 and B equals to 3. If we have written here A greater than B, 5 greater than 3, what should be the answer? Definitely true. If you have written A less than B, 5 less than 3, is it so? Definitely the answer will come false. Okay, so that is relational operators. Okay, we may also check this. A double equals to B, 5 double equals to 3, is it so? No. But if you change the value of B to 5, now we are using this equality operator. So let's see what will be the answer we are going to get. Definitely true. Okay, so this is all about the relational operator. Now let me write it here only. Next, what? Assignment operator. Operator. What assignment operator? Assignment operators are, suppose this equal to sign. Okay, this is used to assign some value from right to left. Okay, So this is assignment operator, and suppose you can use a shorthand for the addition. Suppose we have written a equals to a plus 10. Okay, so this can be written as a plus equals to 10. That is a shorthand. What do we say? That is a shorthand for this addition. So that is all about the assignment operator. Just we have done it several times. Just a equals to 10. Now what do we say? Print a, simply you will get 10. So that is assignment operator used in it. And last one of this, logical operator operator logical operators. Okay, so what are the logical operators? Are and and or. As I told you, and or. And means both the conditions true, you will get the answer true. And or means any other condition is true, the answer you will get true. Okay, a equals to suppose 10, b equals to suppose you have written 5, and you have written a greater than, what do we say, b, and b greater than 3. What should be the answer? Just check it here. A, what is the value of a? 10 greater than 5, condition is true. This is b, 5 greater than 3. I hope this is true. Okay, so and if we write it here, if we change the value a greater than b and put some, what do we say, wrong value or false value in it, b greater than 10, definitely false, because b is having the value 5, 5 greater than 10, that is false. But if we say a greater than b or b greater than 10, then this condition is false, but this condition is true, a greater than b, 10 greater than 5. If any other condition is true, the answer will, you will get true. Okay, so and the next operator is what? Membership operator. Operator membership operator in and not in. Just see, suppose I have written 5 in this series, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. 5 is available in it or not? True, yes. Suppose I have written 5 in this 1 comma 2 comma 3. What will the answer? Is it 5 available in this series? No. So that is all about this membership operator. And students, I think this topic is clear to you, and all the very best. Keep on learning, keep on watching, and keep on helping the people around you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.